Get ready for the latest news.
Did Hollywood heartthrob Jason Momoa trade his Aquaman trident for a first aid kit? The Chief of War star found himself in a real-life drama Friday night, witnessing a terrifying car crash in Milwaukee. Momoa, in town for the Harley-Davidson Homecoming Festival, was one of the first on the scene after a driver, reportedly under the influence, crashed his minivan. The vehicle, smoking and mangled, lay on the sidewalk as bystanders bravely attempted to prevent a fire. Meanwhile, police officers performed chest compressions on the unconscious driver. Momoa, visibly concerned, seemed ready to assist, but the situation appeared under control. The driver was eventually transported to a local hospital, his condition unknown. Fortunately, Momoa was uninjured and continued to enjoy the festival, even taking a spin on a Harley, proving his love for the brand goes beyond endorsements. This incident highlights the unexpected turns life can take, even for a Hollywood star.
That's all for now.
Shocking celebrity
Catch you on the next
encounters?
Hollywood Roundup.
Subscribe to our channel for the inside scoop.